Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix row shade not working. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix row shade not working on Roblox? Well, stay tuned because this one's for you. Alright, how to fix row shade not working on Roblox. Fix row shade not working on Roblox, you need to sign a petition to save Roblox shaders. After signing the petition, you'll need to wait for Roblox approval to whitelist the row shade. So, sign a petition, go to this website, right? And enter your first name, last name, and email address. Select sign the petition. Select no, I'll share it instead, followed by skip for now. And then wait for Roblox to whitelist the row shade, the implementation of Hyperion, Roblox anti-cheat system blocks, the overlay and graphics that row shade provides. You can still load row shade on Roblox, but you cannot see or use its effects in the settings. The developers of row shade have already contacted Roblox, requested them to whitelist row shade, and are waiting for a response. So you just gotta wait. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.